Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic PostgreSQL. So let's get started. In PostgreSQL, which operator is used to check if a JSONB document contains another JSONB document at the top level? The correct answer is option B, at. Which command line utility is used to back up an entire PostgreSQL cluster, including global objects like roles and table faces? The correct answer is option C, PG_dumpall. What is the primary purpose of a foreign data wrapper FW in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. To allow PostgreSQL to access data stored in external databases as if they were local tables. Which index type is generally preferred for full-text search and array containment queries in PostgreSQL due to its efficiency with multi-valued keys? The correct answer is option D, GIN. When using explain analyze, what does the analyze keyword do that a standard explain does not? The correct answer is option A. It executes the query and shows actual runtimes. Which lock level is acquired by the vacuum full command, preventing any other access to the table? The correct answer is option C, access exclusive. What is the effect of the lead window function in a result set? The correct answer is option B. It returns a value from a row following the current row. In the pg_hba.sonf file, which authentication method allows a user to connect if they have a valid entry in the system's IDENT server? The correct answer is option C, IDENT. Which PostgreSQL feature allows you to define policies that restrict which rows a user can see or modify in a table? The correct answer is option B, row level security, RLS. What does the recursive keyword in a common table expression, CTE, enable? The correct answer is option B, queries that can reference their own output, useful for hierarchical data. Which PostgreSQL data type is specifically designed to store universally unique identifiers? The correct answer is option C, UUID. What is the purpose of the toast mechanism in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to store large field values that exceed the page size. Which isolation level in PostgreSQL prevents non-repeatable reads, but may still allow serialization anomalies? The correct answer is option C, repeatable read. In a PostgreSQL declarative partitioning setup, which clause is used in the child table creation to define its data range? The correct answer is option B, for values from. Which command is used to load a shared library and initialize its objects, such as pg_stat_ statements, into a database? The correct answer is option C, create extension. What is the primary role of the WL write-ahead log in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to ensure data integrity and facilitate crash recovery. Which system view provides information about currently active sessions and the queries they are running? The correct answer is option A, pg_stat_activity. What does the lateral keyword allow a subquery in the from clause to do? The correct answer is option B, reference columns of preceding items in the from list. Which function is used to convert a string into its vector for full-text searching? The correct answer is option B, to_its vector. How do materialized views differ from standard views in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B. They persist the result set physically on disk. What is the purpose of a checkpoint in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, to flush dirty buffers from memory to data files on disk. Which syntax is used to perform an UPSERT update on conflict in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option B, insert into. On conflict, do update. In PostgreSQL, what is a table space used for? The correct answer is option B, controlling the physical location of database files on the file system. Which command is used to remove a specific column from an existing table? The correct answer is option B, alter table_name drop column call_name. What is the default port for a PostgreSQL server instance? The correct answer is option B, 5432. Which PostgreSQL built-in role is allowed to bypass all permission checks except for the right to login? The correct answer is option B, superuser. Which of the following is a range type available in PostgreSQL? The correct answer is option A, int4 range. What is the purpose of the fill factor parameter for a table or index? The correct answer is option B. It sets the percentage of space on each page to be packed during initial insertion. Which type of replication in PostgreSQL allows for replicating specific tables rather than the entire cluster? The correct answer is option B, logical replication. In a pg_hba.sonf file, which connection type refers to a local Unix domain socket connection? The correct answer is option B, local. Thank you for watching.